we have to solve the equations, quadratic equations by factorization method. Factorization method is what we have here, the standard form of quadratic equation, or simply we can say that this is quadratic equation. Factorization is what if we find some R and S such that R plus S is equal to B and RS is equal to C. Then R and S is called what? Then we can factorize ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And R plus S are called the roots of the equation. So in this way we will factorize the equations. Question 1 is x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. We have to find some R and S such that R plus S is equal to this, means minus 1, and multiplication of R plus S shows minus 20. So here x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. R plus S is what? Minus 5. If R is this one and this is S, minus 5 plus 4 is equal to what? Minus 1, and minus 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20, minus 20. So conditions are fulfilled. Now here we can take x as a common, x minus 5, and from this 4 can take common. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5, now we have to write in factors form. This sign and factor shows the correction of our question. But if this factor and this factor are same, then our factorization is correct. Now x minus, we have to write separately. X minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Here this is in minus form. If we take this from this to here, then it will be plus. Same as this is x is equal to minus 4. So we got two values of x. We write in the solution set 5 minus 4. This is what? Solution set. Next part is 3y square is equal to y into y minus 5. First we have to convert into standard form. So how we can convert 3y square is equal to, we have to multiply this y with these two terms. Y square minus 5y. So now shift there. 3y square minus y square minus plus 5y is equal to 0. Now we have what? 2y square plus 5y is equal to 0. Here if we take y common, then we get 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to equate both equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 and 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here this is in multiplication form. If we shift from to if we shift 2 to the other side of equal, then it will be divide in divide form, division form. Okay, so we get two values of y. Solution set is what? 0 minus 5 by 2. Part 3 is what? 4 minus 32x is equal to 17x square. First we have to convert into standard form. So we shift these two terms on to other side. 17x square plus 32x minus 4 is equal to 0. We shift these two terms on this side. So next we have to find some factors r and some numbers r and s whose summation is equal to this one and product is equal to this one. In this equation we have one addition. Now we have to find r and s whose summation is equal to this one and product is equal to product of this and this. Means that 17 into 4 or say minus 4 equals to what? Minus 68. So we have to find r and s in a way that summation is equal to 32x and multiplication is equal to or product is equal to minus 68. Now we have to find the factors. What are 17x square plus 34x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. If we multiply 34 by 2, then we get minus 68. And if we plus these two terms, then we get plus 32. So these are the factors. 17x, if we are taking 17x as common, we get x plus 2 minus, here 2 is common, so x plus 2. Because we take minus 2 is common, so we got here plus 2. Now we have to write factors 17x minus 2 and x plus 2. Here we got same factors, so our factorization is correct. Now we have to equate here this is minus 2. If we shift to other side, then it will be converted to plus 2. Here this is in multiplication form. So we got solution set is minus 2, 2 by 17. Next part is fourth part. We have x square minus 11x is equal to 152. First we have to convert it into standard form. X square minus 11x minus 152 is equal to 0. So here now we have to make some r and s. We have to choose some r and s whose summation is equal to this one and product is equal to this one. So the factors are x square minus 19x plus 8x minus 152 is equal to 0. If we multiply these two factors, we get minus 152, and if we add these two factors, we get minus 11x. So x is common here, so we take common x minus 19 plus here 8 is common, so we get x minus 19. X plus 8 x minus 19 is equal to 0. X plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 19 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 and x is equal to 19. So solution set is what? Minus 8 and 19. Solution set is what? Minus 8 and 19. So part 5 is here. First we have to convert into standard form. So we have to take LCM. Here we get what? X plus 1 square plus x square equals to 25 by 12. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square over x square plus x is equal to 25 by 12. Here x square and x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 over x square plus x is equal to 25 by 12. Now we have to cross multiply. We have to do cross multiplication. So this multiply by this and this multiply by this. This is cross multiplication. So 12 into 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 25 x square plus x. 24x square plus 24x plus 12 is equal to 25x square plus 25x 24x. Now we have to shift these here. These terms are to here. 25x square minus 24x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 12 is equal to 0. X square, we got x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation. We have to find r and s. X square. Here if we take r as 4x plus 4x and minus 3x is equal to s. S is what? Minus 3 and r is what? Plus 4. If we add these two, then we get plus 1, and if we multiply, then we get minus 12. X is common here, x plus 4. Minus 3 is common here. So x plus 4. X plus 4 and x minus 3. What we get? X plus 4 and x minus 3. Now x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 3. So solution set is what? Minus 4 and 3. Solution set is what? Minus 4 and 3. Part 6 is what? 2 by x minus 9 is equal to 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 4. First we have to simplify and convert it into standard form. So we take LCM x minus 3, x minus 4. Here we get x minus 4 minus x minus 3. Here we get x minus 4. This minus will change the sign of the bracket. Minus x and plus 3 over x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Now this is plus x, this is minus x, this will be cancel out and we get what? Minus 1 by x square minus 4x minus 7x plus 12. Now we have to cross multiply. 2 into x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to minus into x minus 9. 2x square minus 14x plus 24 is equal to minus x plus 9. 2x square. Now we shift these two to this side. Minus 14x plus x plus 24 minus 9 is equal to 0. So we get 2x square minus 13x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize the equation. We have to find the factors or say that R and S. What is R and S? Whose summation is equal to this term and product is equal to this term. Two x square minus 3x minus 10x plus 15. If we add these two factors, we get minus 13x. If we multiply, then we get 30, which is what? 2 multiplied by 15 equal to 30. So here x is common, so we take it. X minus 2x minus 2x minus 3 minus, here we take 5 as common, So here we get 2x minus 3. 5 3s are 15. So 2x minus 3 and x minus 5 equals to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2, x is equal to 5. So we get solution set what 3 by 2 and 5.